All right, still guy big tank from doubles out. We see they run this our website level they go. So we'll enter this section. Our last video we designed this section. So now we want to design this section. So quickly we'll enter the code. So we'll come here now. We'll call this one section D. So we'll say maybe this one be section E. Maybe section E. Sorry. I'll say section E. So I'll give grid container before I go look, I might just start this quickly. I'll say section E. Well, don't forget to use our thing. Come here. So section E, and we go give them background color. So if you look this thing, so I say the background color here and this one are the same thing. So I'll come here. I think that time they call it EBBD now. I'll just copy here. So copy the color, paste down. Oh Christ. EBEBED. Then we'll say padding. Make the top be 100 pixel, the bottom be 100 pixel, while the left and right be 0. After that one, whatness. Oh look, see this blue for here. See this here. A border be that. So come here, I'll see border bottom. So border bottom can be like I say 6 pixel solid. Oh, that's our color now. Oh fine now. Yeah. Paste. Then we'll see for browser, we'll see RCB. See, I say it is show for you. You know to see I'm not sure about the show. I'll put margins there, you see. Margin bottom like 40 pixel. She is the show. So I'll come out the margin. So now quickly, I'm going to just observe the design right here. So if you look at the design now, this is like I was saying, like if you click here, you go change picture, click here, you change picture, that kind of level like that now. So we see the wrong here now. They put picture. We're going to display the product. Then here go be the details of the product. Then this place be like button now, the way I talk. So what we'll do, we'll say this first one now, we'll give them like maybe grade 65. Then this one here, we'll give her like grade 30. Then this last guy now will collect the remaining 5%. And since we use grid now, see how this space right there now. We're going to talk about this space now. So what we'll do now, each of them now will make them grid parent now so that it go delete the space right inside. So more job on a sharp. So come here, see dot grid 65, which is the first one we're going now. Dot 65 dot grid parent. Okay. I'll duplicate this guy 2 times. Change the 65 for this one to 30. Then I'll change this one to 5. So this one now, we'll just creative now. We'll call on showroom. We'll say showroom picture. Might just say showroom pic for short. Inside showroom pic now, we'll get image. So the image, mostly the image we'll get. So now those 2 share now, we'll get them native. Showroom 3. So see showroom 3. Showroom 3. .jpg. Okay. First put assets because we call it from the assets folder now. Assets. Okay. Hopefully I'm right. So I say big in here. Picture too big. So more style now. More just style this picture first now. I'll come here, I'll say inside my CSS now, say inside this section E, more look for show more look for the showroom. Then also make the height be 450 pixel and the overflow to be hidden and width to be 100%. Or duplicate, then target the image inside, max width and display block. Then height could be auto. So if I go back, runner, see and say the smaller, you get. So we'll arrange this one now. We'll see how would they arrange this guy now. So what they get here now, they get something like a paragraph. I don't know, each one or each two, but I want use paragraph here. So I'll just put something like paragraph, then because over time it says plenty. Each one, okay, more use paragraph. I'll put paragraph here, then I'll put all this one for list. Then see where this list define now, so we'll go style the list me define like this too. Then I'll give the price. So we'll do this one now. So I'll come here, inside this grid parent, inside this grid starting now, I'll see dot showroom product details now. Showroom product details. Imagine what's our bag. Showroom product details. Then I'll create a paragraph and I'll say Afro Culture. We'll see. Afro Culture styled two-piece share on table set. Afro Culture styled two-piece share and table sets. Okay. What do I do? So that's what I'll do now. More just style them. More style them. Take background color there now. So more just sharp. I'll come in. I'll see section E product details. Markup is too long to type back. Section E. Okay. Product details. I'll say me the height be this in 450 pixel now. So height 450 pixel. The background color more picker. So I'll select my picker. F5. Okay. So the background color ash this. Then we'll say padding. May the padding be 20 pixel and must put box sizing now so that the box not got bigger here. Remember, box sizing, border box. What else again? More change the font family. Since all of them they resemble for that picture just now. See, all of them resemble. So we'll just see, we'll use Roboto. So more go back, more to get fresh, and we'll get this now. So more style this one what's up here now. So the styler now, I'll come here and say the product details now, target the paragraph now, which is this P we create now. I've often used ish wanted to do one bit. Now just with allow use with that. I'll say P font size. We'll give her like 28 pixel. Then font width will be like 400. Definitely we'll give line height. Line height 40 pixel. And what else? You know they didn't push enter the picture that time. So we'll put position relative. Then we'll push on small. So to push on small now, I'll just say right. May the right be must say 80 pixel. Then margin bottom, so that we separate them from the list we'll go create later now. So margin bottom now will be like 20 pixel. So most of it will get. Okay. Well, okay, so if you see the picture now, so you see I say background color there. So we'll target this guy now, we'll give him background color. So the background color now made it the same as this one. Can I same thing now? See I say there's no get difference. So the same thing. So I go refresh my system, I'll get here. Okay, we'll get this. Then what else again? We'll give them padding. So we'll come here, I'll say make the padding be 6 pixel for top and bottom, then 8 pixel for left and right. 8 pixel left and right. Then that should be it for this guy now. We'll do one. So now we'll see how we'll create this list. So I'll come here under the paragraph now. Under the paragraph, I'll say UL. I'm always on that list now. UL inside the UL now. Oh, more create class now. UL dot outline round. Outline round. Then inside we'll create like 1, 2, 3, 4 list items in that place now times 4. So each one most suited the right here. So all orange Ankara Holland wax, green Akosombo wax, polish Uleku wood, then paper clip style table legs, Uleku wood. I do with the floor crease. The floor crease with this wood there. If you know where, that's something Nigeria just man do. Orange Ankara Holland wax. Orange Ankara Holland wax. What if it is text on the transformer now? So green Akosombo wax. Polish Uleku wood. Uleku wood. Why is one selected now? Leave yourself. Then paper clip style table leg. Paper clip styled table legs. Okay. More refresh, Musi. Alright, we get the guy here. So basically now we don't already create this list now, but most styling like this. So most people will do this styling like this now. More observe now. More observe. Sure. What do we do here? In fact, more target the list item, more design first. More target them. Target the list item. The first thing I want to do, I'll say list style, none. List style, none. We'll put position relative. Then, because we'll put absolute for that thing later. The custom bullet one I want to use now, so, or the custom style. So, I'll say padding 0, 0, 20 pixel, 20 pixel. I try create space. I'll see just now. You see how? I don't create space now. So now for me to put before, then style this thing for inside now. So I'll come here now. I'll copy this. And I'll say before. So contents go to empty. Content go to empty. Then position absolute. Position absolute. Or semi left be 0. Then top. Top. Now to put up like 6 pixel. 6 pixel. Say me border be 4 pixel solid shocking pink. What the pink there? Shocking pink. So more go see. Okay. You see the box now. We'll get box here. But this guy had to go up, so we'll try to push and come down. Instead of 6 now, I'll see 4. We'll see. Okay. Then, no, I'll see the face just now. Then I'll come here, I'll see the width. May the width be 6 pixel. Height 6 pixel. Refresh. Okay. Then we'll put border radius. Border radius. So border radius I would like 50 pixels, so we'll get the perfect perfect roundness there. 50%, sorry, 50%. You see them? Simple. Very simple. But I say the color there is different. So we'll pick the color. So come here, I'll pick now this kind of color and I'll pick on. Come to C, okay. I'll go back, select this and paste. Now if I refresh, it all stand out now. So now we don't get the custom bullet now. And now this code now with a runner. Very simple. This code now with a runner. So the next one we'll do here. Now this price. I'll just come in. I might write the HTML for the price. So after the showroom products now, or inside the showroom product, after the URL, I'll see dot price, then h4 price and h1. If you look this thing again, it's not say this h1 now, so this one is smaller. So if we put up a span tag, then put position shift and go a bit. On that tag there called superscript, so we'll use a superscript. So come in, I'll just see with the type of this also 34,999.99. So come in, I'll say N 34,999 999 dot, then I'll say SUP for superscript. I'll come on this space. Then I'll say 99 here. More refresh, most it will get. Okay, the same say go up now. So now for me to start, and I'll work there easy. So I'll come down. I'll say section E, and down for this place here. Section E, show product details. Then look for price. We'll still duplicate this one. Inside price, look for major side, and now look for H4. I'll duplicate this one. Look for H1. Then I'll duplicate again. Look for SUP. So the price now, I'll put the color. Make the color be that blue. Color is blue. Then the H4 font size, I'll change that to like 20 pixel. Then I'll see give font size now to the H1. I'll see make the font size be like 46 now. We don't see big past the H4. So 46, then the SUP will go small again. That's nice small pass now. We'll give her like 28. So more go up mostly. Okay. So do if we do here now, yeah? If we push this one, come price this that. More push one go up small. To push on, I'll use line height first for the H1. If you see line height like 35 pixel. Okay. Then more push on, so more select my button. So that I go do, I'll target the price. Then I'll say make call. No, sorry. I'll say position absolute. Then bottom 0. Get a loss. We'll see. See what I did. So now, what we'll do? We'll get to make this guy relative now. So we'll go find out. I think showroom product details. So I'll come here, I'll say position relative, refresh, it'll come back. So we'll start to push on our button now. So to push on now, just push on small. How many? I might give it like 20. So I'll say 20. 20 is too big. Oh. Yeah. Okay, sorry, I'm not a pixel. I don't know why they forget this every time. If I refresh now, and would I get this part now? So now the next one we need to do now this button now. So what we'll do now, we'll come here. Let's see. What was that? So the button now, just two basic buttons like that. You know, really get stress. So what we'll do, we'll just give that feed aside. We'll say aside, then we'll just put two buttons for there now. Then put the font or some icons for here. So I'll go back to my code now, and for inside this grid 5 now, I'll just say aside. There's inside aside now, I'll say button. The button, in fact, button the previous. Then inside you get I. Then the I now, in fact, I.fes. If you not understand this font also, go to their website, maybe go look the codes them, where they say they get all these things. I don't know they come for style, so I know what I do. So arrow up for previous, and I'll duplicate the button. I'll change previous here to next, then arrow down. So I'll go my browser, I'll refresh, mostly. Okay, you see I'll get these two guys now. So how would it transform and maybe like this now? Simple. What do we go do? We will come here after this SUP owner, so we'll target aside. So here I'll just say aside. What how they do every time now? I don't know why they select 2 times. Aside, and I'll give display flex. Display flex, or say maybe the display direction, maybe column, and maybe the height be like 450 pixel. 450 pixel. Okay, so more back Mosi. Refresh. Get this one now. So now, I will take share between the two. Now, what we'll do, we'll come here, I'll duplicate this guy. Inside the aside, I will get button. So we'll style the button. I'll say the display of the button to maybe flex. Then the height. May height be 50% of each button now. 50%. Then or justify. Okay, see. Okay, would I get this one? 50. Then I want justify so that this one will do the center. So that I go do now. Since I say flex now, I'll just say justify content center, then align items center. Okay. So now we'll tackle this space and all these things now. I'll come and say border. May the border be none. Go back again. You see how you know the city thing again. So that I'll do. You see, when I point just I know they show that hand now, they show this arrow. So you need to show hand so that at least there will know that they click with this. So I'll come here, I'll just say cursor pointer. Then font size, more increase the arrow. Font size, must say 20 pixel. Alright. Okay. So more color now. So to do I will target previous. So just copy this guy. You see, come here. Dot previous. See this? I'm not just no. My mouse they do this rubbish, so I'll say dot previous. I'll set my margin quarter big. Previous background color will be that our blue what we use normal. So the blue. Then we'll target next. And next could be shocking pink. Shocking pink. Okay. Fresh. Get this. This is show black. So more change the color for the button. So come in now. So you make color be ash FFF. Okay. So one more thing we need to do now. If you hover now, we need to make one so you know something like see definitely click. So that I go do, I'll just come here. I'll duplicate this two. Then I'll put hover. Then the color, change the color here. So to change the color, that's how I'll do. Okay, measure this guy. Might take and come down small. So you see the new color, see the previous color now. So if I hover and I go dark like this, color where you see now. So then this one too. I'll take them down small. Okay. Fine. So I refresh and you see how. So like this now, we'll create this section now. Let me this one you see. We'll create this section. So what you go remain for us to do now, just the footer. And we'll do that one for our next video, which is our last video, hopefully. So we'll come a long way, very, very long way. And I go thank all of our comments on for actually watching this particular website series so far. And thank you very, very much. You know how to be. Still support your boy. I remain loyal. Big thank from Double South. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and still spread the news. See now here they happen. Thank you very much.